India has given 30,000 COVID testing kits made in India to Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the first country from South Asia. All of our neighbors that we promised that we would help out, Bangladesh is the first to have received the COVID testing kits, and that's fantastic. Yay! Delhi government has announced a summer vacation for its schools from the 11th of May to the 30th of June. So all of those kids don't have to worry about this really annoying online classes at this point. Chutti hai, chill, do what we used to do when we were kids. Yeah, make rasna and freeze it and make your own ice candies. Doesn't turn out well, but it's fun. So do things like that. Do kiddie things. Freeze mangoes and eat them in the summer. But do kiddie things. Summer holidays are on. Also, this is an important story, and this is a good news story. Hopefully, it will get passed. It's not done yet. State government in Maharashtra is likely to allow free of cost transport for migrants stuck in Maharashtra in various cities to their districts within Maharashtra. The Transport Minister Anil Parab has said the proposal has been sent to the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and it's waiting for his approval. The state government will bear the cost for people to transport within the state. So people from other parts of Maharashtra who are stuck in Mumbai and vice versa, they will be able to move around. Guys, questions you're asking about mangoes right now are not cool, okay? Be cool, guys, alright? And Maharashtra government will pay the bill, which is really cool. Let me see, all my holidays are cancelled till June. Being a doctor, doctors, we love you more than everybody else right now. You guys are amazing. Alright, so great story coming from Kerala. Okay, so remember we went over this yesterday, right? What do we love about Kerala? We love the people. We love Onam. We love the food. We love the seafood. We love the sadhya. We love the chips. We love the toddy shops. We love the fish curry, the mean curry in the toddy shops. And we love the fact that COVID completely has its butt handed to it by Kerala. Okay, so this is what Kerala has done. Kerala's recovery rate of COVID is 93%, guys. Whereas the rest of the country is at 24%, which is 1 in every 4 persons is recovering in the rest of the country. In Kerala, almost everyone has recovered. The 93% recovery rate, a mortality rate very low, 0.79% in comparison to the rest of the country, which is at 2 or 3%. And in some cases, in cases like Bengal, it is 10%. It's like shocking. But in Kerala, what is not to love about Kerala? In Kerala, 93% recovery rate and 0.79% mortality rate for COVID. So COVID had its butt handed to it by Kerala. Kerala really getting on top of that, and that is excellent news. So if you're from Kerala, remember we love you. The gas leak in Vizag. Okay. I will tell you about the gas leak in Vizag. Let me just get through the good news though, because that's a very depressing story and I know it's going to trigger a lot of you guys. So we will come back with a live after this one and we will talk about the gas leak. But for now, let's just focus on the good news. Yes, my t-shirt is awesome. Just someone randomly just saying filter coffee. We're just saying words that make people happy right now. Like mean Puliminchu, someone just said, somebody else said filter coffee. News from West Bengal. Alright, so West Bengal, there's a grey area about its reporting of numbers. And remember I told you this, when you don't test enough and you don't actually see your cases enough as COVID, you don't categorize them as COVID, they present as respiratory distress. So in West Bengal, there were a lot of cases on respiratory distress that have now been added into the COVID numbers and taken the COVID numbers very high. And I'll bring you a detailed report on that. I'm working on it and I'm taking the trouble and the time to make sure that all the numbers are properly checked, which is why it's taking time. So you should just give me some time and be a little patient. Shout out to the moon today. Alright, shout out to the moon today. There is a beautiful moon out. If you can, stick your head out the window and take a look at the moon. It's quite gorgeous right now. It is a beautiful day. Love from Kerala. Oh, how we love our Kerala. We should all go to Kerala when this is done. If they'll have us, that is. Alright, last story I want to show you is really cool, okay? This is really How many of you guys are fans of Jungle Book, like the original Jungle Book? You remember Bagheera, the Black Panther, the Indian Black Panther? We've spotted a Black Panther in the wildlife sanctuary in Goa. How gorgeous is that? That's really cool, right? Bagheera. Well, Bagheera is out there to teach us the very basic thing that in a lockdown, you only go out for the bare necessities, and you can manage without the, without any of the fancy stuff. Just look for the bare necessities. I know that was a song that was sung by Baloo and not by Bagheera, but Bagheera doesn't sing a song because he's all serious and grumpy. So this is what we've got right now. Okay? We've got Bagheera singing bare necessities. I want to show you something else that's really cool. It's not a come home for the best Kerala food. Yes, I will go anywhere for Kerala food, dude. This is not a current visual. It's a slightly older visual, but it's such a beautiful visual that I want to show to you. Okay. So Praveen Kaswan is with the Indian Forest Services. He's IFS. And he put out this gorgeous visual of this peacock. Okay, and I want to show it to you. It's just beautiful. I want to let it play a couple of times. Look at that. I mean, what a show off you have to be, but look at it. Look at it. I know I showed it to you 3 times around, but I can't stop watching it. It's amazing. Can you imagine? What a creation, yeah, that bird is. Gorgeous. Alright, so that brings me to the end of good news. Remember, that's good news today. Stay happy, guys. Don't be stressed out. Try and find some time to do some breathing. I bring Apurva Gupta back so we can do more breathing together. Remember to sort of keep some of the power to yourself. It's going to be a long haul. We're not done yet. It's going to take some time. I bring you more good news every day. So at 8 o'clock, we will be on YouTube talking about the tough stuff. And at 9 o'clock and 9:30, I'm here on Instagram with the good news. So go to YouTube. You'll find the link at the top of my, at the top of my profile at Instagram. Click and please subscribe and take part in all of the discussions that we have at 8 o'clock in the evening. All right. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we're going to talk about the Arogya Setu app and whether or not it's safe from a privacy point of view. So join and stay home. Be safe. Be happy.